Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any photos into a 3D block art. So here, this is a pretty new apps on Canva. You can see if you go to the apps on the left panel, you'll see it under the featured section. There's this voxel art apps, or if you cannot find it in here, you can just search on the search column here, just type in 3D block art or maybe voxel art. So let's try this app. Click on the app. So by using this, you can easily turn your photos into a unique and fun 3D block art. Let's open it. Okay, so you can upload an image or select one in your design, but since I using a blank design, I'm going to just upload an image in here. So click on the choose file. Then here I'm going to just find the photos. For example, I'm going to click on this photo. Now click on open. And now Canva will creating the 3D block art. Just wait until it's done. So if you have a complex images, it may take a little longer. Just wait patiently. Okay, it's nearly done. So guys, this is the result for my photos. Let's make it as a background to see. Okay, so this is the result. I think it's really good. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.